Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a wonderful Blackberry Glazed Ham ready to go. This is the perfect Sunday dinner that you could have. Here's the ingredients. Pause it if you need to. Do what you gotta do. Get a pen and paper, write it down because it is good. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go! Alright guys, to a pot, you're gonna go ahead and add about 4 tablespoons of butter. Let that go ahead and melt on down. Alright guys, continue to stir this and just let it render on down. Once it's melted down and you see it looking like this, go ahead and add in your blackberry preserves. This stuff is very good. It's got a tart taste to it, as many berries do, but trust me, we're going to take care of that. So guys, let's get going. Stir this as much as you can. Break it down, break it apart. As you can see here, we're just stirring it around, mixing it in this butter. As it comes up to a heat, you will see this start to melt and bubble. Just like this right here. Once you see it bubbling, go ahead and add you in some pure honey. This is going to sweeten it up a little bit, but also provide some thickness to the overall syrup. That's right, we want a glaze. So continue to stir this. Just keep stirring. You don't want to burn it to the bottom. This is pretty good consistency, but you're not done yet. Continue going, guys. Add in your sugar. This is going to go ahead and give you that sweetness that's going to offset the tartness of the berries. Continue stirring, guys. I cannot emphasize enough to continue stirring. Now, we're going to come in and hit this with our Dijon mustard. That's right. Dijon mustard. I know y'all are wondering what the heck. Just stir that in there. Keep stirring it in. This is going to give it a rich, unique profile flavor. That's not too bitter, not too sweet. Once it's all been cooked together like this is the consistency you're looking for. Do not let it burn to the bottom. Add you in some ground up clove. That is going to give it a very subtle feeling of, what is that flavor? I'm tasting something, but what is it? That's it right there. That's the very, very tiny amount of ground clove. Not only that, it's smelling amazing right now, guys. Continue to stir. Stirring is going to be your best friend. After a while, guys, it's going to start to bubble like this. You may need to turn down your heat a little bit because you do not want the bottom of this to burn. If you burn your sauce, it is done. That's right. Keep stirring. I'm showing you right here. As you can see, it is not sticking to the bottom. That is what you want. No burn. Just take this slow. All right, guys. Now we are going to just put a splash of red wine vinegar. That is going to add a little bit of acidity to it, and it's going to bring everything that we just put in there together. Keep stirring it because you don't want anything to be overpowered. So continue to stir it. Right here is a good consistency. Let it just simmer, guys. All right, guys, now you're going to get your pan ready. Going to lay that big old ham in there. Yeah, that thing is going to be delicious. Add this olive oil to it. You're just going to coat the front of it so it doesn't burn. Going to go ahead and slabber the sides on there. This is optional. You don't have to do it, but I like to do it so it doesn't give a burnt texture to it. Now we're going to hit this in with my favorite, my Tennessee Pride seasoning. This is just one of them dishes that is amazing, and this seasoning helps bring it out. There's a secret ingredient here that goes good with anything. So get it all in there. Guys, now we're going to top this ham with our glaze. Look at how beautifully this comes onto the ham. Not too thick, not too liquidy. This is perfect. Get you a spreader and spread that all on there. As you can coat it very well, that would be the best thing to do for it, guys. And don't be afraid to hit the front of it with some glaze too. That's right. You just want to go ahead and coat the entire ham with this glaze evenly. We're going to do this a couple times throughout the cooking process. Once you get this all done, guys, we're going to come in and hit it with some good, nice, warm water. Not cold, not hot. I like warm. Doesn't matter. No, not really. I just used warm water. Swirl it around just to get it all incorporated. You see the oil sitting in the pan? That's right. Flip that. That's right. We coated it, but we're going to flip it, face it, meat side down, let the fat side up, and we're going to coat it again. That's right. Double coat. I said we're going to do it a couple times, guys. So get used to it. Stirring and coating for this recipe, it's going to be your best friend. I don't know about y'all, but this is already looking good. All right, now you're going to cover that. Take this, put it into a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 4 hours. 2 hours in, we're going to take it off and look at that. Look at that ham. You got some slight cookage on the top. Not burning, but you can love it. Yeah, look, Maddie's over here. I didn't even see the secret heart shape right there. That's pretty cool. But we are going to go ahead and coat this again. Let's get some more glaze on there because we want this to be amazing. That's right. Get it in there. Taste it. That's right. It's good. Use your spreader. Spread it around. By the way, what is this thing called? I don't even know what it's technically called. Looks like a paintbrush, but get it on there. Lather it on. Get some of the water in there. Drip it on that. This pan glaze is great. Put that cover back on, and yep, you can imagine, right back into the oven. Yep, buddy. All right, guys, it's been 2 more hours. I'm going to pop the top and look at this. Look at this ham. If you do not like ham, I don't know what's wrong with you, but we are recoating that with some more glaze. That's right. Come in here and add some more glaze. This stuff is going to make your ham, the crust on the outside, be crunchy, but it's going to add the flavor because some of it's going to render down into that pan dripping, and it's going to soak up into the meat. Ham is naturally salty, so you want to make sure you provide some kind of sweetness to it, or a tart. By the way, take some of the drippings, drizzle it onto the ham. That's right, it all cooks together. Trust me, guys, making a ham is one of the easiest things to do. You can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. And look at this. We're going to slice it up. Here comes the final product. Look at how juicy this is. Beautifully cooked, well-proportioned ham, sweetness to saltiness. You can't get any better than this right here, guys. If you have never tried a Blackberry Glazed Ham, you are lucking out. This is the perfect Sunday lunch or a Sunday late-night dinner. Heck, we use it for Easter. We put it on for Easter dinner because it breaks it up from the traditional cinnamon or glaze. But take it in, plate it in with some greens, some corn, some carrots, and some taters. That's all right. Get all the fixings in there. Put it in there. Yeah, that's right. Look how beautiful this plate's together. Hey, give me my plate. That's right. She took my plate. Either way, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I know you can cook this. I can cook it. You can do it as well. Fun, simple recipes. Thank you for watching the channel, guys. Really do appreciate it. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and tell your friends about it.